Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, I'm back with another job lead. Walgreens is currently hiring. I came to Walgreens, jobs.walgreens.com, and I just typed in remote. Walgreens, 31 remote jobs popped up. You got a remote call center specialist, remote pharmacy technician, senior software engineer, principal software engineer, principal software engineer, manager pharmacy, principal engineer, director, pharmacist, maintenance technician, and they have 3 pages. What it looks like here: maintenance technician, senior technician, master maintenance technician. You get a 2.5K sign-on bonus for that. You get, let's see what else they have. They have pharmacist, on-site salary, pharmacist. Let's go. We'll see what's on the next page here. And you have the pharmacist. So if we was to go back to, let's see, the beginning, we're going to go back to page 1. And if you were to go back to the remote call center specialist, and you click on that job, as you see, this beautiful young lady here, making connections and connecting people to care and repeat. The remote call center specialist here, the address, if you were to work in office, would be in Georgia. The overview, the profile, testimonial, responsibilities, benefits, trending, and job alerts here. Let's see what this job will pay if you were to, pay for this position starts at a base rate of $15 per hour and will increase to $16 per hour after your 90 days of service. And these are the responsibilities of this job. But I just wanted to give you an example, guys. If you want to sign up for job alerts, you just click on here, sign up there, explore the locations, check out for more jobs. You want to get job alerts, you want to save this job, you want to apply this job, you click on this blue button. But I just want to do a quick review, guys, that Walgreens is currently hiring. They do have remote positions if you're looking to work remote. So I will leave the description to jobs.walgreens.com. And that way, guys, you can come and check out all of the jobs that they have available. If you want to type in a keyword, if you want to enter in a location, or you want to select the radius, you just click the search button. So super excited, guys, for whoever gets this job role or any of these amazing jobs here at Walgreens, guys. I'm sending lots of love, hugs, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. I love you lots. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.